Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today's SolidWorks tutorial, I will be discussing about another simple way to go around with SolidWorks. You can stop and rewind the videos to understand fully. Please continue watching until end of the video just to support my YouTube channel. I hope you learn a lot and like my videos. Let's get started. File, new, just wait a bit, it takes time. And now it opens a new SolidWorks documents that is the template with this part. You press the part and then click OK. And now we are on the space that we can have a sketch on it. So let's do the top plane and then sketch, and then we'll change the unit to the it opens a system option general document properties units inches pounds and seconds and click OK. Let's draw a circle. Now we measure the circle as 6 inches and regenerate, and then save this value and exit the dialog box. Then let's do another circle. And measure the circle as 4.75 in inch, regenerate the model and save the current drawing and get out of the smart dimension. Now let's make a center line. It is going to be this way. Let's put a circle at the top of the point, and that is 0.75, a unit of inches. Regenerate the model and save the current value and get out the dimension. Now let's do a 3-point arc from here to here and to here, and let's get out of the arc. Just press the arc and shift key and press the circle, and tangent on the R3 and R4 will be tangent from both, so tangent, and press the get out of the properties, and then click the other line or the arc and click also the circle and then tangent, and the tangent goes to the right place. Then now I wanted to copy this one to the other end of the circle by using mirror entities. The entities to mirror is this one, and to copy it on the other side I need to mirror about at this line. Now you see that there is a line that it produces a line or a preview, and now we click OK. And now let's put another circle here. Let's say the diameter will be 0.5 and in inches. Regenerate the model and save the current value and exit the dialog box. Now, let's trim the entities on the circle, both end, and click and close the dialog box. Now, I wanted to have something like this portion, the one that I drawn with the circle and with the tangent into the around the circle. So I need to use the circular sketch pattern. This one, the point, this one. Oh, that is the wrong one. Let's put it this one as the pattern. Now, let's remove this one. Now, to entities to pattern on this one, you need to click this one, the R3 and 4, and the 5, and the circle. Now, you can see that there is 4 already as a preview. I wanted to have 6. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So let's press OK to get out of the dialog box. And now trim the entities, all of them. Trim this one, this one, this one, and this one. Now you have this a drawing that I can now extrude, or let's put it, save it first at your folder that is now exercise 159, and save. Now you can see that it was the sketch now is, let me edit again. There is something that I saw that it's not been trimmed, is this one. So let's get out of the trim. And now you can see that it's all now pure. Remove all the edges of the circle. So let's go to the picture and extrude. Okay. And then I wanted to have it middle. And let's do a 2-inch, let's say 2.5 inch in the middle, mid-plane, and the length will be 2.5, and press OK. Now you have this made out of solid on all parts. Now I wanted to have a cut on here on all areas, so I had to make a sketch again. So let's do a sketch. Okay, on the top of the top plane, and then sketch. Now let's move as a normal to the plane. So let's make a circle and get out of there. Let's say the circle will be 6, and press regenerate and save the current and get out of the dialog box. And then get out of the sketch. And now I wanted to sketch on this one. So let's sketch on the right plane. And sketch on the right plane. And then let's do a normal too. So let's do a corner rectangular. Let's say that is 1.30. Okay. Let's say that is 0.65 unit of inch. Regenerate. Then another one here. Okay. So let's put it as 0.60. 0.60 and inch, and regenerate the model and save. Okay. Now press this line. Okay, let's put a dimension on this one as 1 inch. So it will go through those tabs and then close the sketch 3. And now let's go to the picture and sweet cut. And this one is the cut. It will cut through the to the drawing. Let's see. Now it's been automatically cut. I wanted to make some hole or something like a slat on this side, so I'm gonna make a plane that is outside. So I'll make a plane on the front, and I'll move it. Let's move it on the other side. Let's do like that. About maybe 5. Okay, and then draw a sketch. Now I'll make a straight center point, straight slat with this one here, like that, and measure it or put a dimension in it, maybe 2.50 inches. Generate. And then that is 1 inch. Generate and save the current button. I set the dialog box. Now it goes with that, and close the dimension. First close the sketch, and now you can see the wrap right here, and on the wrap parameter it was automatic that it gets the sketch number 4, and now the paste for the wrap sketch is this one. You can see now that it wraps into the circle, solid circle, and then it goes and wrap at that area. Let's do it again. I wanted to wrap it as 0.5 or 1. Let's see. Now it wraps throughout the solid. Let's hide this one. And now there is a wrap that is been placed into the solid, and I wanted to pattern it around this circle. This is the center, the edge of the circle, and the picture to wrap it is the wrap itself, but it's supposed to be only maybe 4. 4 is more good already. It's enough. And click OK. Let's put as geometric. Now it's made a wrap on all 4 areas. And let's put a color in it, not the pattern, but the whole parts. Okay, let's put it as green. And then let's put a jumper, maybe 0.1 on this, but bases, and this one also. And this one also. Oops, it doesn't go through. Just that one. Okay, let's finish it. Now there's a jumper on each side. Wait for a while. I hope you like my videos, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and share, likes and comments below. I appreciate your support on my channel. Have a good day to all.